This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by BobKory Team. Recently updated 3-bedroom home in Mason Lakes. Split floor plan, large master suite. Master bathroom has separate shower and tub, double sinks. Large living area with gas fireplace. Open kitchen. Third bedroom can be used as a study. Refrigerator, washer and dryer are included. Schedule an appointment today. For more information, review the details below or contact BobKory Team at 281-394-4608.